Chares! Hi guys! Welcome sa podcast ko ulit. Ako nga pala ulit si Justin Clark Ortiz. At ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang mga steps or mga tips kung ano yung gagawin mo kapag nabubuli ka. Sana naman sa mga nanonood dyan, sana hindi kayo nabubuli. Kung nabubuli man kayo, seek help. At sa mga taong bully dyan, umalis kayo dito. Ayoko sa mga taong bully. Chares. Okay, let's start. Step number 1. Tell a trusted adult or seek help. Tulad ng sinabi ko, it's not snitching. It's a way to protect yourself. A trusted adult can take action. Mahirap ate kapag mag-isa ka, tapos hinahandle mo lang yung situation. Pwede itong lumala. So, seek help or tell a trusted adult. Okay? Second step is don't face it alone. Mahirap kapag mag-isa mo lang itong hinahandle. Katulad ko nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kapag hinahandle mo ito mag-isa, pwede itong lumala. So, it's much more recommended na to tell someone who is for example mga supportive people around you. At saka yung mga bullies, they are less likely to target people that isn't alone. Okay, third step is check or protect your mental health. Kapag nabubuli ka kasi, hindi lang nito sinisira yung physical health mo pati na rin yung mental health mo. So always keep it in check. Paano natin to makikip in check or paano natin to maiingatan? Ang recommend ko dyan is huwag ka mag-isa. Surround yourself with supportive people. Someone who will help you. Someone that can take action for you. For me, that is all that I can say to some steps to avoid bullying. Or yes, when you're being bullied. And that is all. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast. Ako nga pala ulit si Justin Carl Ortiz. At pumapaalam na. Peace.
Huh?